Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. In this video, I will continue explaining the statistics chapter. Consider the straight line of equation y equals n over 2 equals 20 over 2 equals 10. The first stick intersected by this straight line in the bar graph of the increasing cumulative frequencies. Remember it. Okay. The bar graph of the increasing cumulative frequencies. If we take the straight line of equation y equal 10, it means the horizontal line passing through 10. If we draw the straight line passing through 10, the first stick intersected by this line is the stick of modality 500. Then the median of this statistical series is 500. So we can calculate the median either from the increasing cumulative frequency or from the bar diagram or bar graph of the increasing cumulative frequency. This is the straight line of equation y equal 10. That's the first stick of modality 500. Then the median is 500. Because we have 10 numbers below, 10 numbers above. Xi, etc. This is our important table. The ranks of the middle terms are n over 2. Middle terms n over 2 equals 10 because we have 20. N over 2 equals 10 and the 11. These are the middle terms. 6 employees had wages less than or equal to 400. Their salaries are less or equal to 400. There are how many? 6 employees. 6 employees. And we have 13 employees. 13 employees had wages less than or equal to what? To 500. Then the employee of rank 11 and the employee are of rank 10 and the employee of rank 10 and the employee of rank 11 are here in this group, in the group of set, because till set we have 13 employees. Okay, so the x10 is 500 and also x11 is 500 because here we have 13, so the median is equal to $500. Ziyad noticed that two machines A and B had made a mistake on the masses of the chocolate grains. So Ziyad took 30 grains from each machine and began to measure their masses in centigrams, finding the following result. Machine A, machine B. So we have 10 grains of each of mass 30 centigram, 5 of mass 32 and so on. In machine B, the same. Which machine is better than the other? First, we think about what? About the average. We calculate the average in each series Here we have 30 10 times, 32 5 times, etc. The average is equal to the sum of NIXI. We multiply 10 times 30 plus 5 times 32 plus 6 times 35, etc. over how much? Over 30. The total, the size is 30. The average mass of the grain of machine A, as I said, this is 34 centigram. The average mass of the grains of machine B is, also we multiply 6 times 28, 9 times 32, etc. divided by 30, also equals 34 centigram. They have the same average. They have the same average. How to know which machine is better than the other? Okay, I will tell you something. If you took in the first semester 3 notes of mathematics, for example 14, 15, 16, what will be the average? What will be the average of your notes? It will be 15. It is the average is a number close to your notes, because the notes are very close to each other. Okay, but if you took 2, 10, 20, 2, 10, 20, 2, 10, 20, and we calculate the average, well, the average is far from the modalities, from from your notes. The average is far from your notes. Okay, so in this case we will calculate the average of the distances of the modalities from the mean, to know if we have more dispersions or less dispersion. Both theories had the same average. The ad will study the grain masses which are dispersed in one than in the other. So we make the average is 34. The distance between this modality and the average is 30 minus 34 absolute value, positive. 30 minus 34, the distance between them is 4. Okay, this is the absolute value of 30 minus 34. The absolute value of a negative number, for example, the absolute value of minus 5 equals to 5. Absolute of minus 7 equals 7. Absolute of 10 is still 10. The absolute of positive equals to the number itself. Absolute of negative equal minus the number. Absolute of minus 3 equal minus 3. Absolute of 10 equals 10. The same. Okay, here are the distances from the average 35 to 34, 35 minus 34, 38 to 34, and so on. Let us calculate their average. This is 3.333 centigram. In B, the average of the distances from X bar is 3.7333, etc. Here the dispersion is more than the dispersion in the machine A, because the average of the distances is 3.7333, and as if you take notes, their values are not close from each other. They are far apart. Thanks for following and good luck.